My name's Omar, out here in Whippoorville, Texas. Pretty hot out there right now, and I'll tell you what, this garage is looking pretty hot right now. I just got built, put together this morning, early in the morning. Guys came out here, and within 2 hours, these guys were done. And the results were awesome. Really love it. Everything just, the colors, perfect. Pewter gray with the outlining with black. And it is perfect color. Durable, 12 gauge. Really excited about this. Basically, all this is gonna be, it's gonna be a storage for mowing, my lawn equipment. But here, I'll take a peek inside right quick. It's a 14 by 14, steel all around, 12 gauge, 13 foot high. Beautiful, came out awesome. It's gonna fit perfect for my brand new mower. It's gonna go in here. Everything's, man, this thing's gonna hold up forever. I'm looking even to get him out here again to get something built out behind this for an RV storage area now. But yeah, really excited about it. Came out awesome. One of the best things I like really is the garage door opening, how easy it is to have access to it. Just how durable this thing's gonna be and how long it's gonna last. Islands Factory, thumbs up to you guys, man. I appreciate all the work. Having you guys come out here and man, they got everything perfect and it's beautiful. I'm really happy.